Hello there. In this video, we'll cover how to navigate Cogbooks and explain some important features. Cogbooks is an adaptive learning platform with many unique features. As students work through learning activities, extra support material will be provided, giving each student a unique learning path based on how well they understand the topic. Please note the recommended browsers for Cogbooks are Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Starting from the home page, find your assignment in Module 1 and open it. If you have any issues, please refer to the How to Access Cogbooks video. Once you have your assignment open, the first screen you will see is a topic page. Here it will list all the subtopics that are related to that topic. To begin working through the subtopics, click on the Start button on the right-hand side. You do not have to finish all the subtopics in one session. You can log in any time and finish them. Your place will be saved, and the next time you'll see a Resume button, and you will start where you left off. The next screen will be the subtopic page. Each subtopic is broken down into learning activities. To receive credit and gain the needed understanding, each of the learning activities will need to be completed. Again, click the Start button to begin the first learning activity. There are many types of learning activities that you will encounter within Cogbooks. These include videos, content pages, interactives, critical thinking exercises, and quizzes. Depending on how the class is set up, these quiz questions might be graded, or they can be practice problems that you will receive credit for attempting. To help you navigate within each subtopic, there's a navigation panel on the left-hand side of each learning activity page. This first view shows all the learning activities for this subtopic. These core activities are a part of the primary learning path that all students will need to complete. You will start from the top and work your way down until all are completed. If you want to see a larger table of content-like view, simply click the blue icon. It now opens up to show you all the topics and subtopics. In this example, as you can see, 1.1 through 1.5 are the subtopics under Topic 1. You can click on the different subtopics to view the learning activities. And notice at the top it shows how many activities you've already completed. At the end of the learning activity, you will have an opportunity to use a slider bar to self-assess how well you understood the material that was presented. Then, if needed, additional support items will be provided. If the slider bar is moved above 50%, indicating a good understanding of the topic, then you will be recommended to move on to the next learning activity. If the slider bar is positioned below 50%, indicating a lack of understanding, additional related support items will be provided. You can also send a question to your instructor. Let's say you choose to watch a video, but even after watching that video, you are still not comfortable moving forward and want a better understanding of the subject. Once again, slide the bar below 50% and another support item will appear, as well as another opportunity to message your instructor. After reviewing the support material, you will be brought back to the original learning activity, and when you indicate you have a good understanding, you will move on to the next subtopic on the primary learning path. Now if we look at the navigation panel, we will see green check marks and a red X. A green check mark represents an activity that has been completed. A red X is for items where the understanding fell below 50%. You might also see this for incorrect quiz questions. Also, we can see the two additional support items being branched off below the core learning activity, creating a secondary support path. This is how Cogbooks is able to deliver a customized experience for each student based on their individual learning needs. Thanks for watching this quick overview of how to navigate Cogbooks. We really hope this improves your learning experience.